Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
Good morning. Man, what happened to my camera again? Oh my goodness. Camera's been wild this morning. Maybe we can get it back on. I don't know. What happened? It might be hard to get the camera back on, guys. I don't know if I'm going to be able to without restarting the stream. I'm going to try. Maybe. Well. I don't think I'm going to be able to get the camera back on. I had it on right before I came on. Now it's not working. You guys just may have to roll without seeing me today. I don't know. Whatevs. Whatevs. Good morning to Mimi, Nizzy, Son of Wall Street, Futures Trader, Timbo, Rob the Scalper. Just buy a new camera. It's not the camera. It's not the camera. I can promise you that. Definitely not the camera. 887 sitting up there on the hourly chart. Kind of a pretty obvious level. Really 961 above there. We have a bullish inversion back to the upside on the hourly. Let's check out the 4 hours just to see. Yeah, still looks like a nice draw there. We'll see. So we got 961, 887 up there. It's about 100 points up to the upside. Morning, patience. Larry, good morning. All right. Opening range will be set here in about 10 seconds. Lina, good morning. Neo in the house. Tech T. I wish I was making millions. Millions and millions and millions of dollars, but we're not. All right, we're going to call it 42 points. The opening range. So a 21 point stop, 84 ticks. I guess I needed to keep that up. 84 ticks. Well, we can go 2. So 42. So we can take 5 micros today. What do we say the stop was? I don't remember what we said the stop was. 41 times 4. I don't think that's right, is it? It was... Why is math so hard? 21. Yeah, 21 times 4. $84. All right. So we can go 5 micros, 84 ticks. All right, let me get over here and get this set up. Stop loss, 84 ticks, 84 ticks. Going to be 5 micros. Take profit on the first one. It's going to be 84. We will be removing 3 micros at 84. And then 168. Okay. Profit trigger. All right, almost got this set up. Wait, if that's the target, maybe we should go auto break even at 84. All right. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Save. Long. Yes. Save. Short. Yes. Okay. All right, we got it. Lita, I don't know. Yeah, it's the Invisible Man. You think you won? Let's go. You won that My Funded Futures account. You'll have to wait until market close. It depends, Larry. Oh, yeah, patient pays. I got it. Good morning, Clarity. Kislayak. Good morning. All right, let's see what the news is. Michigan sentiment at 10 says weeks. Let me just take a look. Got the opening range set up. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not a huge fan of it this morning, but we're going to take it anyway. We're going to take it anyway. Michigan 1 year. Yeah. I mean, that's not even, it's 2-star news. Yellow folder. It's not even red folder. Do I have anything else? Fed Governor Jefferson speaks at noon. That's pretty much it. Let's go, Lena. I love it. Carolina. Lina. We'll check out Mancini's information in a minute. My general lean is that we take out the 887. It's my general lean. That's my general lean. Mancini's information. 6865. 68. Oh, 6878. $6,900 above. Watch for traps below 68.54. 22 is support. 22 is down there a ways. All right. Yeah, Larry, very good point. Very good point. All right, let's get ready. Oh. Let's try to get this thing. Try to get this thing to go to the right side. I don't know why it doesn't do that sometimes. I'm trying to grab on the right side and see. I don't know, it's being weird. It's Friday, believe the market will pump. I really don't know what to expect, to be honest. Every time I think we're going to pump, we just dump. So I don't really know. I don't really have a idea. All right, let's see. 817.50. $775.75. Got it marked out. Yeah, I do that one trade, but it don't work. I don't know why it don't work. It's fine. I mean, I got it on there manually. It'd be fine. 84. If we open up inside the range, I'll be able to take and move my stop manually. So yeah, I'm gonna set it up for both too. So what I got to do is go buy, stop, boom. OCO, even though the OCO doesn't, I don't know why it doesn't work half the time. I have no idea. Orb short. Even though the OCO shows up, it doesn't always work. I don't know why. There's that 25 candle. I'd really like this thing to stay inside the freaking level here. What up, Robert? Stay inside. That'll make it easier. So much easier. Good morning, Convergence. We got 3 minutes, or 4 minutes. Where's the VWAP at? Quite a ways down there. Yeah, we got 4 minutes before the open. I don't really want this to pop out the bottom now, but push back into the middle of the range here. That'd be nice. Stay in the middle of the range. Make it easier for me to put the orders on. Be nice. Be nice. Last night you found a perfect unicorn setup on the 5-minute, but it was activated at midnight and I couldn't hold it. Nice. Oh man, stay inside here. I hate it when it does this. I really hate it when it does this. It already is like, it makes it more difficult to get the order on when it opens up outside the range like that. Kinda annoying. That's rude. Kinda rude, kinda rude. Morning Punisher. I don't mind it going out. It's just like it needs. I like it to come back in to give us an entry. So I'm going to go ahead and place the one up top there. Oh shit. Did that drop my order there? I don't want that. What up, Aaron? Pine Tree in the house. This has to be further away than that. Damn it. Alright, 15 seconds. Damn it, I can't get tagged in down here. Might not get the opening range trade today. Very similar to what it did 2 days ago or Tuesday. Came back up like a few points from it and just never. God dang it, I didn't mean to do that. It wouldn't let me move it anyway for some reason. I didn't want to be tagged in short there. I knew it was going to do that shit. I did not want to be tagged in short. I knew that was going to happen. I completely screwed that up. Come on, go. Get up there. And now I'm in way higher than I should be, and the stop's not even where it needs to be. Go. Get through there. I'm so annoyed there, guys. I did not want to be tagged in. I didn't want to be tagged in short there. I wanted to be tagged in long. I almost didn't even put the short down because I knew that shit was going to happen. Alright. Down like 50 bucks on the orb. But nice job, Jamie. Yeah, I just I'm annoyed at that one. That's my fault. I mismanaged that. I mean, I know, like, looking at the ES there, ES holding that 54 level, not really pushing lower, I knew that the upside would work. And, like, I really didn't even want to drop the downside. That's why I waited for it to kind of get up in there to drop it. I should have not even dropped it. 170 points. That's all right. All right, small red on that. What we'll do is we'll look for some spots maybe for 1 micro. Let's take this off. We'll look for some spots that make sense with a single micro. I'm just kind of annoyed there. Humanoid. At least only 50 bucks. Yeah. It's not a big deal. I was down 200, and so then we took the 150 there on hitting the first target. But, it sucks, but Sorry. I hate it when it does that. That's why I tell you guys it's so much more difficult to trade. So much more difficult to trade like that. I'm taking the long here off 25. There we go. Didn't run that 887, so that's why I'm okay with taking that. Copper trade shenanigans for me. I was in a long and got tagged in short. Dang. That sucks. Like waiting for the first fake out. Yeah, makes sense. My ninja's corrected. It's connected just fine. I'm just annoyed at how I handled that. I gotta do better at that. Gots to do better at handling that. It's alright. Just one of those things, guys. One of those things. Oh, man. Yeah, that sucked. You won? Let's go, John. I hate it. That's why I hate it when it opens up outside like that. Like the ES, I was watching the ES there and it was telling me that the long would probably work. But I have to drop the short there, and I tried to wait for it to kind of push back up in there. And it was only like 1 point into it, and then it pulled back and tagged. It just, you saw it, just barely tagged me in. I should have waited. Here's the thing. Until we take the 961, I do think it's long. Think about buying the 900 here, but I think we go to 961. So I'm going to try to get in here. All right, I'm in. Go. Let's go. All right. That's got us basically back to break even. I got a couple of accounts that are down like $15 because of slippage, but most of them are green. Rhythmics died? I don't know what happened. Worked out good. Might have a serious... Jamie, I'm telling you, it's so strong. What up, Eric? It's so strong. Your positions window was telling me I was in a trade even though I didn't see it tag in. And then it was telling me I was down like 300 bucks. Woo! That's crazy. Yeah, blackout news, it is jumpy. It's a pre-orb, Larry, actually. That's what Barbie's kind of dubbed it, the pre-orb. So basically it's the high and the low between 9 and 9:15 a.m. So we might look for a couple of more spots. We might. Although I'm not so sure I should. Maybe we should just take the break even on the day, and maybe what I do is switch over to individual accounts. Instead of copy trading everything. I think that's probably smart. Let's do that. I'm going to switch over to individual accounts. Let me turn this copy trader off. Turn the copy trader off. We'll try to get like each account to maybe like $100. Also, we do have 10 a.m. news, so kind of urgent. My camera and stuff's not working for whatever reason. What up, design? Up 1,200 each of your fundeds. I'd call it. It's Friday, man. Lock it down. Lockety down. I missed the 50 buy here. I completely missed the 50 buy. I'm gonna take that off there. I think the 50 is the better entry. I already missed it though. Actually, let's go down to the 25 now. One more poke at the highs. It could be design. I'm thinking 960. Nice little push here. I'm okay with taking even the 900 buy here, I guess, on this account. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's go. This is my hourly objective, 961. I don't really know what to expect after that. I mean, we do have a couple of gaps up here that are left unfilled. 25,075 from yesterday, and then a couple of above there at the 3,400 level. I mean, we could be heading to that gap at 25,075. Just keep in mind, we still do have a gap way down here in the 400s. We're closer to this one, so I lean towards we take this one out. But, you know, I don't know. What up, Donovan? You don't trust nothing today, blackout news. Yeah, I mean, it is, you know, I could try to short here at the 950s, but man, it's rough. Rough, rough, rough. All green candles over here since open on the 5-minute. Working on the 4th one in a row. You're TPing out. Let's go. Just caught another 25 with 2 minis. Let's go. I'd be done for the day too, man. 25 points with 2 minis. What was that? $1,000. All right. Well, here's a spot where we could maybe buy the 900 again. Tagged in. This is one of those ones where I'm not going to let it come back to red. So if this comes back down here, probably in the next level or two are going to get hit. There we go. You can see I'm going to be more aggressive on the eval of these funded accounts over here. This is just a singular one, but I'm going to wait for more obvious things on those, on that one. 975 makes a lot of sense, right? You got both ways, down and up. Let's go. I see no reason to short yet, but maybe eventually. I think Mancini did tweet something. Did Buellanox ever come out with another sale? They were 45% when I checked last night. Man, do I get another opportunity here off the 25? I'm going to keep buying until we hit that 961. Once again, stops in. When you're kind of buying the higher levels here, putting the stop in early kind of makes a lot of sense. And not being a dick for a tick as well. I'm working on it, Happy Kids. Oh, you're talking about, are you talking about... No, I don't recover that account. That account just stays. It'll just stay red. $1,200 or whatever it is. Are you talking about the, I gotta assume you're talking about the, Lucid. Yeah, a pullback will be nice, right, Neo? 850 would be a good level to buy right now. Okay. What was that? Anybody know what that was? What was that? I read giveaways every day and you can't face people. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, what was that? That's not a... It doesn't look like a big candle, but the ATR is 59. The ATR is 59 right now. %50 of the daily range on ES. Oh, I need to, that's what I was doing. I forgot what I was doing. I was looking to see the levels. 11, 69.11, 69.18. $69.30. All right, I think we're going to run that 960 now. That was Nasdaqing? Yeah, for sure. Doing something. There's the 960. I was just too nervous on that pullback candle. I didn't have a lot of confidence in that pullback candle there. I really don't know what to expect beyond this level, I'm gonna be honest. Like, I really have no idea. Would need a decent pullback here. What in the world's going on here? That pullback candle was evil, made me ignore my third buy of 25, and naturally it goes. Yeah. You're getting ready to take a trade on another account? I don't know, Larry. It's tough to say. Yeah, blackout. That's the thing. You got to have, I mean, when ATR is 61 on the 2-minute, you need a significant stop here. That's awesome clarity. 100 for today. Let's keep it green on a Friday. Unfortunately, I am down small amount. The fundeds are the ones that are down, which is weird. Like, why are the fundeds red and the evals are green? Fundeds are down 35, 21, and $7 over here. And then the other one's down 3. The other ones are $3.94. John, for sure there's a lot of room above. For sure. I talked about this yesterday. Like, if we want to really get going, we really can. But when you have a 685-point move, think about the overnight move here, guys. Let's look at the overnight move. 633 points overnight. I mean, that is insane right there. Let's go, Manny Matt. Nice job. Good morning, Prakash. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. Hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Could buy 95 here. That would be very aggressive. Or 25. Nope. Probably best to wait. Morning, fish lips. Are you just only looking for shorts up here, fish lips, or what? I mean, we ran the hourly objective, so I think it's tough to know. We like just mentioned, we have a lot of room to the upside. Yeah, 975. I don't know, man. I'm still like wanting to wait for it to kind of just get into a range to be more aggressive. You think we're going down to 700? I mean, that would kind of make sense. Max is barking at something. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. Give him a little spray over there. You said it would pump? Yeah, it's pretty nasty pullback. News, yeah, thank you, Jan. I forgot about the news. 10 a.m. news. It's not red folder, but still. Maxie, come on. Yeah, exactly, Trev. Hey, man, chill out. He's telling me to sell? Yeah, he might be. I'm going to be careful here. Yeah, Rob, nothing good can happen. That's what I'm going to do, Lina. That's the smartest thing to do right now. If I miss a couple of entries, no big deal, right? I need a girlfriend. He might. Neo, don't tempt me to go get another dog. Because I will. Nah, I can't right now. My landlord's not a fan of dogs, and I already have Max, so. You trained your old pit bull to bark because he was so calm? Oh, man, I used to be worried about him because he used to never bark. Now he loves to bark. All right, now this might make sense. I'll try it. We left a bearish 2-minute gap here. I can give it like one level, I think. But if it pushes back up above this level, then I'll be out. The news that's coming out, I think it's going to probably be a dud. I don't think it's going to do anything. It's not threefold. It's not 3-star or anything. You love dogs with personality? Yeah, Max definitely got a personality. Personality. Get me tagged in here. Trying to push below the 21 EMA here on the 2-minute. Since I'm not in a trade, I don't think there's any reason to leave these orders out with the news coming out, even though I don't think it's going to do anything. I guess it did a little twitchiness. Would not have even tagged me in there. Typically, the first touch of that 21 EMA on the 5-minute, which is also the 50 EMA on the 2, kind of get a bounce there. So I'm expecting a little bit of a bounce, maybe to 875. Probably at a minimum. What do we... I mean, I don't know, man. This is kind of the... About the... We're in 50% of the range here. About to hit OTE. Let's see how it reacts to this level. You don't like any of this? Yeah, it's tough. It's holding up. This is the second test of the orb. We did have a push up and then a retest here. So it certainly looks like it wants to go down. Another rally time. I don't know, Punisher. It could be. Bounce nicely off the 50 on the 5-minute. Yeah, I see the gap there. We did also run a little liquidity. To me, that's not a very bullish reaction off this gap either. I could probably just short the 25 here, but I don't know. I'm going to take my orders off there. I think it's going down, but news out of Iran refuses to end uranium enrichment. Probably not the most bullish news for the markets. Shorting all day. I mean, who knows? The low is a long weird wick. Well, it was put in at open. That opening print a lot of times is kind of your first sign. So this does not look very bullish to me now. It's pushing into that range. $8.25 sell would have worked. Every sell so far has worked on the way down. Yeah, 960 was your hourly buy side. 961's hourly buy side. Man, I hate to keep moving my shorts down lower and lower, but let's see how this candle closes. Yes, bouncing off the 78 there. Big bounce off 78. There we go. 25 more points. Bagged and tagged. Yeah, design. That's what I'm doing, guy. Let's go, Neo. Nice job. Oh, yeah, yeah. Room. It looked like a pullback. I was trying to pay attention to the 5-minute there. It looked like it was going to inverse to the downside. It didn't quite do it, but then it pushed back up. Retest the open of the previous candle, rejected it. That's why I went ahead and put my order down. VS kind of loses the 78. I think we sweep the opening print down there at 700. If the ES can get through the 78 here. Could be a bounce off 750 here potentially. Well, actually, 725 might be the better buy. Thanks, Neo. This is the thing, guys. Like, one of the things I've noticed about this strategy is you really would like Nasdaq to stay in this box, right? Because what generally happens a lot that I've already noticed, if Nasdaq does not stay in the opening range, in the initial balance, the 1 hour initial balance, and there are days where Nasdaq stays in that initial balance all day. But this is when this works the best, in my opinion, because then you know your threshold, right? You kind of know your threshold. When it breaks out of this level, and then, you know, and then kind of puts in another one lower, very difficult at that point for me to kind of gauge. That's where I tend to sometimes get trapped. So what I would like to see is maybe sweep this low back into the range. Let's head back up. I don't know if it does that, but it's kind of what I'm thinking. Holding the bottom side of the range there. Oh. What up, Solo? We are down in the golden pocket. Yeah, ES is holding. The golden shower pocket, as Jay would call it. So 75 did just work for about 25 points. The 5-minute did invert to the downside, I think. Yeah. The 2-minute, however, did not. The 1-minute did. Down in the pink sock. That's a pretty big bounce. It's like a 60-point bounce here. Is interesting candle. So the 15-minute did hold that gap. Might get a harami here on the 15. I'm going to buy. I think I'm going to buy the 850 here, maybe. Used to get by, just to get by. Oof. Oofka. That was just a pullback to go shorter, it looks like. I'm not even adding on this push down. Oh, shit. It tagged me before I can move it. Two minutes before and after Tier 1 release prohibited on Legends Master account. I was in a position 30 seconds before. You probably should be alright. The last 2 minute candle not have a body on it. Yeah, that one doesn't. Yes, back to support. Let's see if we can hold one more time. I don't know. See if it can hold one more again. Just what I didn't want to do was kind of get trapped into a position, and that's exactly what I did here. Yeah, Jan, we're part of the DCA crew for sure. Yeah, we just need a bounce. Nothing crazy. I was looking at the 15-minute and I was like, oh, my God, the 15-minute just ripped lower and just closed. I don't. I'm probably going to end up just eating this trade. The 15-minute did end up closing below there, so we're definitely going to be running this wick down here. So it gives me a chance to get out. I'm just going to try to take it if it does. See if we can get a bounce here and get out. As soon as it gets back into my entry, I'm just getting out. There we go. All right, got out with our lives there. No, I didn't, Jan. No, I didn't. Even though I say it rocks. I'm going to be honest, this thing's being very manipulative here. Yes, wicked below that. That 15-minute closing below there kind of scared me. Yeah, that's probably true, Treff. Still waiting on the real pullback. Yeah, I don't know. We bounced off that 75 3 times now. Short till I fart. All right, let me know as soon as I smell something in the room. I'll know to go long. As soon as I smell something. The letter N trade, yeah, it kind of is, huh? Well, there would have been my target. But, I mean, I still took profit. Not complaining. Kind of a tricky spot here. I don't really know what to expect here. Still kind of looks bullish to me. Oh. Yeah, exactly, Trev. Think about taking a short now. I'm waiting, guys. Looks very bullish. Oh my goodness. Tough. Very tough, guys. Try to be careful too. I don't want to do anything stupid. Might wait for it to slow down a little bit. Tough to know what to do here. Yeah, ATR is crazy. Yeah, initial balance is 8 more minutes. Oh my goodness, guys. Very tricky, very tricky, very volatile morning. What's the range since New York opened here? 282 points. All right, one trade a day. I think that's a smart thing to do. So, Max knows what to do. What do you mean, Weeks? He's yelling something, Trev. I don't know. Whoa, what the hell was that? Look at that, guys. Look at that candle, guys. Holy hell. What in the world was that? 93-point candle. Max was given a warning. Room, you called that? Oh. You might have, Jan. 88.30 second candle. That's insane. You said 90 to 95. Huh. Guess I'm gonna buy down here again. You're glad you're locked out? Yeah, I don't. That's safest. I'm going to try the long here on this momentum. Very good momentum here. No. Stop in. That came one tick away. We're not allowing that. Get your ASS up there. Let's go. Let's go. No inside bar, no gaps. Nice price gambling. Yeah. Kinda. 873 close price. Need that to hold. Put in a little 2-minute OB here. 1 minute inversion. Hit the break even on the 1 minute inversion. Could be a 75 buy here. Do I like the 75 buy? I kind of like it, but I'm not going to take it. Short somewhere? I don't know. Who knows? I'm trading one micro. It's trading star. Yeah, high momentum's trading the gap. Yeah, I mean, it's like, yeah, I'm just trading one micro. Doing the best I can with it. Starting with one micro. I mean, hell, if you're trading a mini in this, woof, good luck. If you're trading a mini in this, good luck. Good luck. I mean, with a 64.75 point ATR on the 2 minute, I mean, imagine what stop you need. 80% off all evaluations on Apex. Activation fee is now $75 still. So 80% off Apex, activation fee $75 on the any account less than 100K. So what I would expect, Francis, good morning. I would expect Bulanox to go to 83% off at some point today. That would be my expectation. That's normally what they do. Limit long 880. I mean, I wanted to take the 75 long, but chickened out. I don't see anything yet that's like that I can trust so much that I can take on the funded account, and that's kind of like, you know, I'm being very particular with those trades. Very particular. Yeah, that's crazy, Larry, to be trading minis. I mean, there's people that are probably doing it. I can't do it. Look at this 1030 candle. Look at the twitchiness on that 1030 candle. I trades in the house. You were weeks? You crazy. Jamie is trading minis, yeah. I forgot about that. Pull out the PA and long the 880. The problem is you'll tell me that I'm in late and that I should have taken profit already. $10K lag on the 1030 candle. All right, room. We're going to buy the 75. I'm not buying the 80. Oh, shit. Room. Break even stop. We're up 15 points there. Oh well. Now it's going to go. I tried it. I didn't trust it. I didn't trust it. Abort mission. See, look. Now Room saying, abort mission. Last day as a mod. I'm fired. Now you're up 300. Lionel, nice job. Oh. I actually didn't mind that area room like back here. I was considering the long back here and it would have already paid. It might still pay. It might still pay. Long silver. Wait, short silver. No, wait. Long silver. Long John Silver. That's all I heard. Long John Silver. Oh man, we would have hit the target here, huh? Almost. There's the target. Your stop is at the low? No, thank you. It would have just hit the target right there, just barely. Would have hit it. I do, Jamie. It is 64. Buy me a big old car. Sorry, guys. I couldn't help it. I don't really know what to do here. All right, Jamie. Could short the 925 here. Could. You don't know what to do. You call your mom. Come on. Yeah, no one does. Here's the thing. We're in a spot where this could turn down and go 200-300 points, or it could push up to a 300 more points. Max knows. We're definitely ranging. I would like a range, to be honest, but 25K might be the magnet. Yeah, I tend to agree. There's also a gap up there, 25,075. It says up now. You need 3 points to have 150 points on the day. Don't do it. Every time the dog barks, the NQ drops. Solo, I shaved my beard. I didn't want y'all to see. Wait for the fail of the daily high. Yeah, I shaved off my beard and I didn't want y'all to see. There we go. What about that? Is that good enough? It's working, but it's not working on OBS. Yeah, I could put myself down here somewhere. I didn't shave the beard. I think I've had this beard like 3 or 4 years at this point. You can't handle that much beauty. Oh. Let me play with the background replacement now. Let me play with it. Let's put some stuff back there. What should we put? This would be a good one for this will be a good one for do you guys know what that is? For my funded TV? What do you guys think that is? Oh. That's what was on Tom's mantle. Here we go. We got a picture of Max in the background. What do you think? Perfect. What up, fish lips? I haven't said what the account's going to be today. It might be something different. FTT Daytona. That'd be a perfect account to give away. What about this one? A little pine tree. Long from London open. Target 30-minute 200 moving average. You get your profit target. Someone convinced me to stop trading. Yeah, stop trading for sure. I'm waiting for it to either see how it reacts at the high or make its way towards the low. Oh, the little baby pine. It depends on what time I go pee. You can go pee, trading start. You got time. Apex question. You just passed the threshold to take a payout, but this is only day 7. Yeah. Flip Monday, Jay Wizzle. You're good. Congratulations. You are good. Congratulations. That's the picture I should put up there, but I'm not going to. That's the one I should put up there. I'm not going to. All right, which one do y'all prefer? Fat methodical? Ripped methodical? Fat or ripped? I mean, we still like those French fries. Fat seems more accurate. Rude. Rude. You hurt my feelings, man. Here, I'll show you guys. Let's see if I can get this pulled up. I don't know where that stuff is. Documents? No, it's not. I don't know. I can't find it on here. Maybe I can do it this way. Market reminds me of the turret I once saw floating in a lake in June. Oh. Alright, see if I can save this. I can't really make it bigger. I can't make it bigger. Oh well. What we got, Trev? 25,074. I mean, I think that area, I mean, that's up there at the open, right? That's at that gap fill up there at the open, so I like that level. It's just like right now we're just kind of starting to chop and grind, which is a good time for me to start looking for a trade, actually. So let's do that. All right. I'm not sure what to do here. I'm kind of leaning towards a short, but I think it's going to go up, though. It's the problem. I think it's going up. But there you go. You guys can see Maxi. There's Maxi when he was a puppy. Max said, I was a very cute puppy. Yeah, we do have a huge SMT here, Trading Star. That's what I'm looking at. And that's why I'm like tempted to short, but yeah, it could break. Could break. That's a Datsun. He's a Datsun. Him is a Datsun. I think it's going to break the SMT. Life is no Nintendo game. Watching price action like a movie? Let's go. Me too. Do we get a bearish reaction off 950 here? I'm kind of trading up into an order block there. I wonder if that holds. Doesn't look like it. I mean, this thing looks like it's going for the high. All right, I'm going to take it at 950. It's very aggressive, but see if we can't get this funded account back to green. Tagged in. I think we go for the highs here. I really do. At least it feels that way. We go up 15 points. Stop is going to go into break even. What was that? It's kind of a... We have been getting some wild candles today. Well, no bueno. I don't like this at all. God dang it. Right into the macro and it just rips lower. Yes, 80% off Apex is true. I'm not liking the look of this. I was wondering if the order block was going to hold, and it didn't look like it was going to. It looked like we were just going to blast through it, and then price just said nope. Not good, guys. Max is barking. Does that mean we're going up? I don't know, Trev. Yeah, I should have taken the short. I should have taken the short. I saw the SMT at the high and just ignored it. I don't know why I do that sometimes. we are going to most likely get stopped if this thing doesn't bounce here. We really got to get back above 909 here to get going. I'm gonna get stopped, guys. I can already tell, because I'm not gonna leave this this one on, all the way down. I got my stop down here, and it's, if it hits it, it hits it. Gonna need a hefty bounce. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. No, they're not. Line in the sand here, really. Oh. Come on, rip it up. Get me out of this turd. Get me out of the turd. Back to the pre-orb. Let me give this a little more room. We're at the 5-minute trend line here, so it could bounce. She could bounce. There we go. Come on, rip it. Get it up there. Go. Rip it. Come on, get up. Get up there. Get up there. Go. Going to be red on it either way unless it just rips all the way back up here, but there we go. Get through that 21 EMA there. Top of the hour coming up here in about 2 minutes. This flush. Yeah. I ain't going to be red over here unless we get a nice push. We might. Probably could have left my targets where they were, but you know how it is when you're like in a funded account, you got a bunch of drawdown, you just take it. Get through there, guy. There we go. Come on, push it up here. 925s. Go. 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 You can fly higher than an eagle. They're fine. Trading Star. Small red on them, a green on some. What up, Predator? You're the pulls beneath my wings. This is a singular funded account that I'm trading here. I was just trying to get back to green, and yeah, we didn't do a good job. We're going to probably be redder than we were before, but to get out of the red, we probably need like 950. I mean, if it just gets above 900, it could happen. Pay that man his money. Patient pays. I got your email. It just takes a day or two for them to give you the account. You just got to be patient, bro. I'll do this giveaway in just a minute. There we go. Come on, get above 900 here and go. Come on, NQ, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. What is the giveaway? I haven't said. Hit that like button for me, guys. I don't even know how many we got. Let me see. Oh, not bad. 85 likes. Good job. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Rip it. Go. 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 Lock it in the 25 level here. I want to see it just squeeze though. Continue to squeeze. After all that shit, down 28 bucks still. Let's go, Tony. After all that shit, guys, we're still down $28, which is basically what we were down before that trade. Oh, my goodness. We did make money over here on the other account, though. This one actually made money. This is the reason I moved my stop, guys. Look at the trend line right there. Held to the T. Trend line's the exact same on the 5-minute, by the way. Bam. There's the 5-minute. Pegasus, I haven't tried to. So, Trader's Launch. Yeah, Business Lens. We're about to give away an account from them, so there you go. All right, guys. 3 minutes. 3 minutes to enter. Exclamation point MM. Man, that was tough. That was a tough trade, but I didn't panic, even though it was like right at my daily loss limit. I really didn't want to lose more than 800 bucks, and I was like, goodness gracious. So, the orb held. 5-minute inside bar. There is. I mean, I think it's going to the high at 964, or maybe even higher. 984, I mean. Would have hit my target there. We probably could have got back into green, but I wasn't going to be greedy there. Wasn't going to be greedy. Shotgun? Let me see. Yeah, we probably will. Actually, let's do shotgun, guys. I'm going to cancel it. I'm going to cancel it. Let's set it up for the shotgun. Because we had too many people in there. Yeah, I got to post too. Get your alt accounts ready if you want. We'll start it in just a moment. Guys, follow me on Twitter too. At Methodical Man. All right, and the giveaway is going to start right now. You gotta get all your family members in. That's what sucks. Is like I took these off, kind of like a couple of them for losses. If I'd have just held, I don't know. You can always say like, oh, if I would have just held, you know, this, that, and the other, but oh, I forgot I did that. Biblical, $10 with a donation, $10. Appreciate you. You the man, Biblical. Oh, god dang it. What happened? You the man, Biblical. Appreciate you. 48 seconds, guys, on the timer. I did something to my channel. Okay, there we go. Thank you, Biblical. I appreciate that. Ten seconds. The winner is DMY1138. Where you at? DMY. Where you at? Are you here, DMY? Man, the SMT was spooky. You never know if those are going to hold or not. Guys, we're only 170 subs away from 9,000 and 1,170 away from 10K. Oh, where's DMY at? I mean, we literally just did it. He gone. All right, DMY's got 60 seconds. I'm going to put the timer on. Yeah, they did Cofer, and I typically like that. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Larry. He's probably just taking the time for him to get back in there. 45 seconds, DMY. This has been very tough for me, too. Even though, like, I'm break even effectively. It's Jonathan's alt account. Well, you better get in there, Jonathan. You got 30 seconds. Why did you close it? I said pull your alt account up, hit the like button. He's on another giveaway. Oh, well, he's about to be gone. He's pulling a room beats. He might. All right. Sorry, DMY. On to the next. On to the next. Coma V51. Coma V5I. There's Coma. Coma, send me a screenshot showing you're logged into your YouTube. Click on the top right hand corner, the little circle. Screenshot this, show me you're logged in. And my email's pinned at the top of the chat. I do need you to make an account with Traders Launch. You don't have to buy anything, but you have to create an account with Traders. Let me edit that. I misspelled that shit. TradersLaunch.com. You want a free trader launch. Yeah, DMY, you did win, but you're too late, brother. Sorry. Tell you what, DMY, if you want, make you an account with Traders Launch too, and send me an email too, and I'll give you a Traders Launch account as well. So, yeah, they're decent, Coma. This is a free account, so no reason not to just try it out. You know what I mean? Give it a try. Why not? There's no activation fee. This is completely free, so if you pass, you're good. But yeah. Both of you guys send me an email and we'll get you guys hooked up. Guys, we are going to be over on My Funded TV here in about, I don't know, what time is it? About 15 minutes. So join me over there, please. We got 85 people in here watching. There's 304 people over on My Funded TV right now. So I'd like to see you guys jump over there. Join me. I'll be over there with Bull Barbie in about 15 minutes. So... DMY had a good dream he woke up from. Yeah. So we are small red here. Like I said, effectively break even. It's about $30 per account, give or take. So nothing crazy. And then this account over here, I've been trying to scout back at it. You know, this one we were down last night. 1287, and then the My Funded Futures account, I took the L this morning on one of those trades. You guys didn't see it, but trying to get it back to break even, down 298. Not the end of the world. I mean, it is an eval. So Jan, the camera will be working. Yep. Trade of 8 should be MNH6. MNQH6. So do the best I can, Larry. But hey, I do appreciate you guys watching. We will be back live. We might do Power Hour today. We might do Power Hour. If not, I'll see you guys on Sunday at the market open. So I do appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys next time. Or I'll see you over on My Funded TV.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.